Hi everybody, today I talk about lesson consonant ch, 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 and z, z, z. First, ch, ch, ch. China, China, cherry, cherry, trash, trash, chocolate, chocolate, challenge, challenge, trees, trees, truck, truck, chairman, chairman, kitchen, kitchen, lunchbox, lunchbox, Richard, Richard, picture, picture, teacher, teacher, fortune, fortune, nature, nature, pitchpole, pitchpole, detach, detach, teach, teach, purge, purge, march, march, patch, patch, ranch, ranch, court, court, uproad, uproad, chop, chop children is challenge in kitchen adventure. Today, Chuck will be teaching future champions cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. The second, juice, juice, jump, jump, juggle, juggle, Zori, Zori, Japan, Japan, giant, giant, genetic, genetic, junior, junior, generate, generate, German, German, algebra, algebra, legend, legend, magic, magic, subject, subject, digest, digest, rejoice, rejoice, objective, objective, adjective, adjective, educate, educate, subject, subject, age, age, college, college, postage, postage, stage, stage, pledge, pledge, village, village, average, average, page, page, congress, congress, knowledge, knowledge, Asiaman, Judge, and Zuri have judged and zeroed a strange giant who sat on the edge of a bridge, throwing Zuri onto large barge.